Good morning, students. Today I am going to give you the keywords, or you can use at definitions. Okay, so see this. These are the words of the chapter 2. Okay, that is plants. Chlorophyll. What will you write? Green pigment in the leaves. Okay, when the definition will be there, then you will write green pigment in the leaves. That is chlorophyll. Okay, now cotyledons, parts of the seed that contain food for the baby plant. Okay, now germination, the growing of baby plant from the seed. Okay, so photosynthesis. Now come to the photosynthesis, process by which green plants make their own food. Okay, and now coat, the thick outer covering of the seed which protects the baby plants. And seed dispersal, the transfer of seeds to places away from the mother plant. Seedling, this is very important, the small baby plant that grows out of the seed. Okay, when you will appear for the online class, then you write this sentence and your definition will be complete. Okay, so when the definition of the seedling will come, then you will write the small baby plant that grows out of the seed. Okay, and when the definition of chlorophyll, then you will write green pigment in the leaf. Okay, so in short you will write in during online examination. Okay, now I am moving to the chapter 3. Now the diagrams, see, these are the diagrams: photosynthesis, parts of bean seed, germination of bean seed, and these are the roots. Okay, I have already told you earlier in the class. Okay, now I am going to move this. So chapter 2 complete, and now I am moving to chapter 3, that is forest. Okay, so in the forest I will give you the question answer of exercise A, B, C, D, E, all the question answer of exercises of chapter 3. Okay, now see the question. First you can also write the keywords of the chapter, which you will write as definition also. Number 1 is the afforestation. When the definition comes, then you will write the process of the large scale planting of the tree. Okay, deforestation, large scale cutting of the tree. Okay, bird migration, a regular seasonal movement along a flyway between breeding and wintering grounds undertaken by a species of many birds. Okay, forest. What is forest or define forest? Then you can write a forest is an area with high density of tree. Okay, so you will write the keywords and definitions and use as definitions. Okay, and when the answer will come what is, then you can also write the meaning of these words. So I think this is very clear, so everyone will learn. Here the important keywords are afforestation, bird migration, deforestation, forest. Okay, for the definition, afforestation, bird migration, deforestation, and forest for the definition. You will learn these words. Okay, meaning of these words which is given here. Okay, now move to the question A, B, C. I am showing you the question A, B, C. Everyone will see it clearly, and then you will note down. Okay, now see the question A, B, C of chapter 3, that is forest. Number 1 is the forest serve as home to many types of the animals. See, animals. Number 2, forest absorb large amount of carbon dioxide and amounts of gas, carbon dioxide gas. Here you will write carbon dioxide, CARBONDIOXIDE. Okay, now in the 3, deforestation decreases, DECREASS, decreases rainfall in the surrounding area. Number 4, Bharatpur bird sanctuary. Okay, you will write Bharatpur bird sanctuary, BHARATPURBIRD bird SANCTUARY sanctuary. Bharatpur bird sanctuary is the largest bird sanctuary in Asia. Number 5 is the for early man, forest were a source of food and shelter. What? Food and shelter, FOOD, food, and SHELTER, this is shelter. Okay, now move to the match the following regions. You will match with paint. Forest match with soil conservator. Deforestation match with the correct cutting down. Ashwagandha, medicinal plant. Gums, adhesive. Okay, now take the correct option. The leaf used to make disposable plates is the areca nut leaf. Okay, deforestation result in all the above: soil erosion, flood, and low rainfall. Okay, and bee wax is used to make medicine. Okay, what medicine? Which of the following is not a forest product? It is kerosene. Okay, so and number come to the 5. The question number 5: if the forest disappear, the amount of carbon dioxide in the air will increase. Okay, now move to the question answer D. See the question D, exercise D and E are here, and you have to write the answer of these questions. Number 1: any four product that are obtained from the forest, you will write here. See, wood, medicine, honey, spices. WOOD, wood. MEDICINE, medicine. SPICES, spices. HONEY, honey. Okay, and now come to the question number 2. Why do some men cut trees? Some men cut trees for their own selfish interest. Okay, number 3 is the what is Gir National Park famous for? The Gir National Park famous for the Asiatic lion. Why? For the Asiatic lion. Gir National Park is famous for the Asiatic lion. Okay, now I hope this is clear to all of you. Now come to the name 2 migratory birds that visit Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary. You will write the 2 migratory birds that visit the Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary are Siberian crane and pelican. Okay, and now come to the 5. What is the average temperature and rainfall needed for the forest to develop? And see, the average temperature is greater, this should be greater than 10 degrees centigrade, and annual rainfall at least 200 millimeter. Okay, now I am moving to the question number E. Question number E is the list 4 harmful effects of the deforestation. So what will you write? The 4 harmful effects of the deforestation are: decrease in the rainfall in the surrounding areas, decrease in the level of groundwater and the nearly areas, and 3 is the increase in the soil erosion. Number 4 is the destruction of the habitat of the numbers of plant and animals. Okay, now come to the question number 2. How do forests prevent soil erosion? You will write: trees bind soil particles with their strong roots and it prevents soil erosion. Okay, now number C. Come to the question number why are forest the question number, this is 3. State the importance of forest to the human beings. See, the importance of forest are: forest help us to maintain the climate. See, the forest helps us to maintain the climate balance over in large areas. Okay, climate balance over in large areas. And forest act as the natural absorber of the rain water, and forest provide a number of things that are used by humans. Okay, so these are the importance of forest to the human beings. Okay, now move to the next question. Why are forests known as the lungs of the heart? Forests are known as the lungs of the lungs of the earth. Extremely sorry. Why are forests known as the lungs of the earth? So you will write here: forests are known as the lungs of the earth because just as our lungs absorb carbon dioxide from the blood and infuse it with the oxygen, similarly green plants absorb carbon dioxide during photosynthesis and in return release oxygen into the atmosphere. Okay, so you will write the answer. Okay, now I am moving to the question number 5. How can one contribute towards protection of the forest? So you will write here: we can contribute towards protection of the forest by following ways. By number 1 is by minimizing the use of wood and wood products. Number 2 is by not using products that promote destruction of the forest, and number 3 is by celebrating the growing of plant as a festival. Okay, so I hope I have given all the things, all the question answer of chapter forest. So everyone will copy this and learn this, and these are the keywords. So that's all for today. given the keywords of chapter 2 and chapter 3, everything. So we will prepare for the test. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.